Good morning.
Thank
Hello.
you. So, balik na naman tayo ulit sa ating routine. Routine reels.
Yes.
Wow! It's day 2. So, start ulit tayo for our day, for our season 3, biggest wisdom. So, this is my second day. So, same routine, breakfast. Before breakfast, kailangan ko uminom ng kape dahil busy today. So, para at least high energy naman tayo for today. Dahil I'm sure pagod ako today. Mapapagod tayo today at mabibisi tayo today. At may drill pa tayo today. Kaya kailangan kong maging ready dahil may drill. So, ulang time. Kaya kailangan kong uminom na lang ng kape. Muna for the meantime. Sure na busy today. Kaya, kasi ang kape, ang lemon green coffee nakaka-boost ng energy, nakakawala ng cravings, para kang full stomach ka lagi. So, kaya kailangan ko talaga siya. So, di ba? So, kayo din, habang kung may work kayo, kailangan nyo lang uminom before kayo mag-work, mag-duty, para matutulungan yung araw niyo. So, yan. Coffee na tayo.